Microsoft Excel has this really nice feature for find and replace. And if you made a mistake, and maybe you made a mistake in many different places, you put the wrong number in, you put the wrong spelling in for something, it can go in and find all that and fix them all at once. So in this particular case, I'm going to say, you know what, we don't do business in Illinois, we do business in California. So we need to replace anytime you see the letters IL with CA. So we can go to where it says find and select at the top and choose the replace option. And in the replace option, we're going to find IL and we're going to go in and replace with CA. So I'm going to click on find all, and it found just the one reference to it, and I'm going to choose replace, and there it is, it's replaced. Let's do another one where maybe we spelled February with, instead of Feb, it's spelled with Fab. So we can go into find and select, go to replace, and we'll just type in FAB and replace it with FEB. And we'll choose find all, and it found it, and choose replace, and now it's fixed. So that's how you use find and replace in Microsoft Excel, and I found it a very useful tool that you may want to use in your business.